Not sure it's the right thing. 2.8 Kitech out here. This is maybe a little striper, or got no, just in my work clothes, so no chance of anything like that. Let's see. Bigger fish on than I thought. Nice. Cool little break. Guessing this is a striper. Hopefully I have enough line on here. Oh, here's the biggie. Trying to use some of my walking power. Might be my first striper. Surf striper of the year. I got a hold of him now. Might be big enough here. No waders. Come this way, that's better for me. Okay, we see ya. Oh yeah, it's a nice striper. Always wanted to throw these. Oh yeah, that's a big striper for the setup. Sweet, look at that guy. I don't know what I got on here, 12-pound test probably. Nice, definitely a keeper. Let these waves take it in and then I'll be good. Oh, I almost didn't come out here. Well, that's slab. Holy cow. Gotta be one of my best lunch break this shit. See if we can get him back. Got no waders. Come on. Beautiful. Might have to do something like this. There you go, buddy. There you go. Is that good enough for you? I'll get you cleared. There we go. Whew. Sweet. Where'd we get that one? Yeah, that was a quick little 30-minute freshwater rod. I added 2.8 on it, put a bigger one on so the stripers are hitting in my work clothes. Not bad.